Hello students, friends and my dear teachers. Myself Gurpreet Singh, I am a chemistry teacher. As the word itself suggests, chemistry, it takes into account a part called as mystery. To some it appears that it is a subject which is full of mysteries, others say it is a subject which has a mystical behavior. But having said that thing, I would say that our nature is also consisting of lot many mysteries. We at the top of human intellect are still struggling to find solutions of different mysteries hidden in the nature. As a matter of fact, Corona nowadays is acting as a mystery. Scientists are fighting day and night to find the solution of this pandemic. Being said above points, I do say that my subject is a quite a lovable subject. It takes into account lot many concepts and fundas which governs the chemistry. But at times it seems that it is projected that way, that the subject is full of mysteries and exceptions. Then to a child it's become a little boring and a dry subject. But in upcoming channel of mine, I shall be passing on to you some videos which would make the subject more interesting and lovable. In this upcoming channel, I shall be passing on 2-3 types of playlist. In one, we will be catering 11th syllabi right from the very basic. Every part is being discussed in a simplified manner, then would reach to a IIT advanced level or NEET level. We will touch right from the basic to the advanced questions. In the other playlist, I shall be passing you some videos which would be very helpful for those who are appearing for IIT Advanced, JEE Mains and NEET 2020. It would be consisting of different questions based on physical, organic and inorganic, would definitely help you prepare better for 2020 all entrance examinations. As many of you know that I will bring along with the chemistry lot of enjoyment factor. So in upcoming videos you would see there would be chemistry which is full of fun element along with it, and parallelly there is a fun along with chemistry and chemistry along with a fun. The upcoming videos of mine would be consisting of a material which is passed in English, Hindi as well as in Punjabi, and with some amount of Lalan top questions based on the different aspects of chemistry. As you know, during any chemical reaction there is a driving force, delta G has to become negative. So the driving force behind this channel is my son, who is presently in 10th class and appearing for ICSE boards. He prompted me, pushed me along with his friends that why don't you Papa start with a channel whereby you can help those students who are sitting across India and world in this lockdown period and struggling to find important solutions for my subject, that is chemistry. So it is an endeavor for me to help those students who are sitting somewhere across India and abroad and struggling to find the solution to the chemistry part. Although I am quite apprehensive because it is the first time I am facing a camera, but during this recording the rain has started, so it seems that Indra Devta bhi keh raha hai, go for it. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and get the latest notification. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope all of you would join with me in understanding this mysteries present in the chemistry, and you and me together will unfold untold mysteries in chemistry. Let's meet in the first lecture coming up to you very soon. Thank you.